Noom Nutrition Honest Review Watch Before Using. Most people think weight loss apps are just calorie trackers, but Noom takes a psychology-based approach to nutrition and healthy habits. Noom is a mobile app that combines daily lessons, food logging, habit tracking, and coaching. One standout feature is its emphasis on behavior change. Instead of focusing solely on numbers, Noom helps users understand why they eat the way they do, building long-term sustainable habits. Most people get this wrong. They think logging calories is enough. The surprising truth is that Noom integrates cognitive behavioral therapy techniques to encourage mindful eating, goal setting, and emotional awareness around food. Users report increased awareness of triggers for overeating and better consistency with healthy choices. Another advantage is personalization. The app creates a tailored plan based on your age, weight, activity level, and goals. Daily lessons and quizzes keep engagement high, while the virtual coaching support provides guidance and accountability. However, there are considerations. Noom requires a subscription, and some users may find the daily lessons time-consuming. Additionally, success depends on consistent use. Logging meals and engaging with the program is essential to see results. In conclusion, Noom Nutrition is more than a calorie counter. It's a behavior-focused tool for those looking to improve eating habits and lose weight sustainably. For best results, commit to the lessons and tracking. Subscribe for more honest health and nutrition app reviews before you start your next program.